guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Luz, and on today's video I'll be showing you guys how to clean a window track or a door track. So if you guys are interested in learning how to do that, please keep on watching. Okay, so as you guys see, this is the window track that I'll be cleaning today. It does look disgusting. We moved to this house not long ago, and it seems like the previous owners had pets too. So yeah, I gotta get that clean. I do have my dogs, as you guys see there, but I don't have them inside as much because I like to keep my carpets clean and just my house, because I have kids and they're always playing on the floor, and I like to keep it clean for them. So we are going to need a container with hot water and dish soap. We are also going to need some paper towels, a brush. I use vinegar to disinfect, so we're going to be using vinegar. We need a vacuum, and then also some gloves, so you don't want to touch that. And then we also need a scraper, a cleaning cloth, and then a glass cleaner. I think that's everything. There is a little tool there that I didn't mention, but I will put it down in the description below. It's a really good tool. Okay, you guys, and the first thing we're going to do here is grab that scraper, and we are going to break and lose all that dust and dirt that's sticking on the window. You can also use a screwdriver instead of the scraper. I think that would work perfectly too, and it'll be able to get into all those corners. Okay, so now we are just going to vacuum all that and it's going to look so much better. Okay, so now all it needs is just a really good scrub with some hot water and soap. So you're gonna grab your hot water and soap and the brush, and you are going to give it a really good scrub so we can get rid of all that dust that is still sticking on the track. Okay, you guys, and since that track was super dirty and it seems like it hasn't been cleaned for a long time, I want to disinfect that. And the way I'm going to do that is by using some vinegar. I will spray that vinegar all over the track and just keep scrubbing. I know if you leave the vinegar there, sitting there for a few minutes, it will kill bacteria. So that's a really good thing. I like vinegar because it's a natural cleaner, and yeah, I use it a lot in my house. Okay, you guys, and we are almost done here. Now we're just gonna grab that cloth and we are going to dry all that water and then just kind of get all that dirt out. And wow, it is looking beautiful. I noticed that the window frame was super dirty and dusty, and for some reason it had a lot of glue. So I decided to grab some disinfecting wipes and just disinfect all that window. And then I also decided to clean the glass because it was really dirty. Okay, you guys, so we are done with the cleaning and this is the way the way it looks. It looks beautiful. It does have some spots there, but it's not too bad. It does not bother me at all, and I am so happy because that truck looks beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and also you guys can subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing with you guys a lot of cleaning tips. As you guys know, I own a cleaning business and I've been doing this for a long time. So if you are interested, please subscribe to my channel and share this video. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Hello again, thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'll be sharing with you guys more cleaning tips and a lot of other things, so you don't want to miss that, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.